Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how you can be connecting WordPress forms to Mailchimp. WordPress forms is a way of collecting data throughout WordPress, and Mailchimp does work the similar way. So how can we connect them together? First, we need to connect Mailchimp with WordPress, which is very simple and easy and quick steps. First, you have some requirements to do. You go to integration and then download WordPress on your Mailchimp account. Make sure to click right here and it will take you to a WordPress page where you will be downloading a file of this plugin of Mailchimp so you can upload it into WordPress. Go to your WordPress website and make sure to go to the plugins. Now the requirements are pretty easy. First, you have to get a WordPress premium account. It does not have to be premium, but either it has to be business or commerce. Why these two? Because they have the ability to download and install plugins. Now once you have them, go to plugins and upgrade your plan in case you did it, then upload and download this file and upload it right here. Now the connection between Wpforms and Mailchimp cannot be done easily. What you'll have to do is to transfer them manually. So the data that you have in Wpforms in WordPress, you have to download it and then re-upload it right here through the contacts in case you had contacts, then add contacts, import, and basically upload it as CSV file or text file. This is the only way with it you can connect them both. Otherwise, they are completely like similar platforms, but they cannot be connected directly. You have to do it with a third-party app or with a tool that I have shown you, which is manually. So this is the only way that you can do it with. So that's what it is for this video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you do have any more questions about this, make sure to leave it down below in the comment section. I will try my best to make a more informal and detailed video about the connection. Thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next video.